friends, welcome back to Savvy's Kitchen. Today we are doing mango ice cream recipe in my kitchen. Summer is around and mangoes are in season, so why not make something delicious at home? If you are new here, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit that notification bell for all upcoming videos. This recipe will definitely cheer up everyone at home. So let us begin. For this recipe, I am using 5 ripe mangoes, and here I am removing the skin and taking out the juicy pulp. Mangoes are great sources of vitamin A, vitamin C, B6, and they have good amounts of potassium and natural sugar. Mangoes also have very high amounts of dietary fibers and magnesium. They don't have cholesterol at all in them, so definitely we can use them. Yellow colored fruits like papaya and mangoes are high sources of vitamin A, so we should definitely use them in our diet. Here I am cutting the mango pulp into small pieces, and I am taking approximately 2 bowls of these mango pieces. Blend these mango pieces and keep it aside. For this recipe, we also need fresh cream. I am using fresh cream from Amul, and I have taken 1 full bowl of fresh cream for this recipe. I am adding this into a frozen bowl and whisk it for about 10 minutes. After whisking it for about 10 minutes, it will start to peak. You can also use electric handle whisker for this, which will make the work easier. Once it peaks like this, I am going to add the next ingredient, that is condensed milk. I have taken half a cup of condensed milk and I am adding it into the bowl. I am not going to add crystalline sugar as mangoes are very ripe and very sweet. Instead, I am adding this condensed milk. Now I am going to whisk both of them for about 10 more minutes. Friends, you can also check out my playlists in which you will find more recipes. I am going to link them in the I button and also in the description box. Now, after whisking it for about 10 minutes, I am going to add the mango to this and mix them and whisk them for about 5 minutes. Now I am going to transfer this into an airtight container and add few more mango cubes like this and mix them. I am going to deep freeze it for about 8 hours and definitely it will taste yum. So I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this. Please give a big thumbs up and comment down below how you felt about this recipe. Thanks for watching and see you in next video. Take care. Bye.